Welcome to DrewTutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the default search engine here in Google Chrome. So, for example, you are using Google as your search engine in Google Chrome. So, actually, it's very much correlated because, of course, it's Google. But if you want to see other perspective, because if Google is your search engine, of course, the top results.
Welcome back to DrewTutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
That you see whenever you search will always be biased to Google products or whatever website or web pages that pay Google company the highest. So if you wanted to see other results, like the top results or other web pages from other browsers, what you're gonna do is click these three dots, go to settings, and then on the left side we can see search engine. Click this change button, and here you can also use Microsoft Bing, Yahoo Philippines, Ecosia, or DuckDuckGo. For example, Ecosia. Click set as default. So once you open a new tab, and it is now Ecosia. So for Ecosia, like every search that you make, uh, they do plant some seeds for the environment. And as you can see, this is their numbers and the amount of money they raised for climate action. And there you have it. That is how you change search engine and, for example, you search for news. As you can see, the interface is now different, and yeah, it still shows um the top news websites, but it's not as biased and there's not much advertisements as compared to Google Chrome. There you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.